If the brightness on your Samsung TV keeps changing on its own, it's usually caused by automatic picture features rather than a hardware problem. Modern Samsung TVs include technologies like adaptive brightness, HDR processing, and local dimming that constantly adjust the screen to improve contrast and save energy. While these features can enhance picture quality, they may also make the brightness look like it's randomly increasing or decreasing during movies, games, or TV shows. The good news is that you can stabilize the screen by adjusting a few settings in the TV's picture menu. Step 1. Go to Settings, then General, then Eco Solution, and turn off Ambient Light Detection, Adaptive Brightness. Step 2. Change the picture mode to Cinema or Movie mode for more stable brightness. Step 3. Open Picture Settings and adjust local dimming to low or standard if brightness keeps shifting. Step 4. Go to Settings, then Picture, then Expert Settings, and enable brightness stabilization if available. Step 5. If the issue continues, reset picture settings or update the TV software through the support menu.